Hello, Namaste. In this lecture, we will understand frequency distribution. Based on that, we will find mean and standard deviation of certain data. So, here we will consider one example to find mean and standard deviation from frequency distribution. So, here we have considered one example. In this example, uh, we have 500 products and hardness of that 500 product is distributed here. So we have considered a class of 290 to 294. Hardness with number of 290 to 294 have 17 components. So 17 components have hardness in between 290 to 294. 86 component have hardness of 295 to 299 and so on. Maximum number of component is 240 and that have hardness in range between 300 to 304. So hardness number is defined as class and class value is distributed as 290 to 294 and so on. So first column represent class. So this value is given in example, a class, and a frequency is also given, that is represented in second column. Now we need to find class midpoint. Class midpoint can be found from adding these two values. Adding 290 plus 294 and divided by 2 will give 292. 292 is the midpoint of 290 to 294. In similar way, class of 295 to 299 have class midpoint of 297. In same way, we can find 300 and 304 have midpoint of 302. So in that way we can find class midpoint from class value, okay, and each class midpoint have interval of 5. So 292 and 297 have difference of 5. In similar way, 297 and 302 have difference of 5. All the class midpoint have difference of 5. In next column we will define deviation. So here is 6 class values. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So third number of class and deviation of 0 is represented on third number of class. On the upper side we will define -1 and -2 deviation, and on lower side +1, +2 and +3 deviation is defined. So mid number, that is 6 divided by 2, there is 3, and on that third class midpoint we define 0 as a deviation. On the upper side we define -1 and -2 as a deviation, and on the lower side we define +1, +2 and +3 as a deviation. Now on next column we will find frequency into deviation. So we will multiply this value of 17 into -2 will be -34. Similar way, 86 into -1 will be -86, and on the same way we can find f into d of all these values by multiply all these two column. On the next column we will find f into d square. So d square is -2 square is 4, multiply with value of 17 we will achieve 68. -1 square is 1 and multiplication with 86 will 86. Similar way we can find all this f into d square value by squaring the deviation value and multiply it with frequency value. So we will achieve f into d square value. Now summation of all this frequency, that is 500, because we have represent data of 500 products, and so frequency is summation of frequency, that is sigma f. It is also represented as small n is 500. The value of small n is 500, and sigma of f into d, that is sigma fd, will be 100. Summation of all this value will be 100, and sigma fd square means summation of all these values of last column will be 520. After achieving all this value of n, f into d, fd square, we can find x bar. So equation of x bar equal to xd plus I into sigma fd upon small n. So xd is the class midpoint value in front of 0. So 0 deviation, and in front of value of class midpoint is 302. So xd will be 302, value of class midpoint in front of 0 deviation. So xd will be 302. I is interval. Interval is the difference between all class midpoint value. We have seen previously that difference between all class midpoint value is 5. 292 and 297, 302 and 297, all these value have difference of 5. So interval I will be 5. Sigma fd is 100, that we have found previously, and small n is 500. So 500 is small n, sigma fd is 100, and interval is 5. xd is the 302, value of class midpoint in front of 0 deviation. Okay, so by this equation we will find that 5 into 100 will be 500, divided by 500 will be 1. By adding the 302 plus 1, we will achieve 303. So x bar will be 303. So standard deviation is denoted as sigma. Equation of standard deviation is I into under root sigma fd square upon n minus sigma fd upon n whole bracket square. So I is 5, sigma fd square is 520, small n is 500, minus sigma fd is 100 divided by small n, that is 500, and whole bracket square. Division of 520 and 500 will give value of plus 1.04, and 100 divided by 500 will be 0.2, and square of 0.2 will give you 0.04. 1.04 minus 0.04 will give you 1, and under root of 1 is 1. Hence 5 into 1 will be 5. So standard deviation is 5. So by this equation of mean and standard deviation, we can find mean and standard deviation of this frequency distribution that is given in this example. So this is all for example of frequency distribution, or this is an example of how we can find mean and standard deviation from class and frequency. So it is required to we have class value and value of frequency to find mean and standard deviation. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section.